If you learn HTML by developing a project, then it will easy for you to remember all concepts of HTML, and also this process becomes more enjoyable and useful. So in this course, we will learn HTML and develop this website. We will learn all HTML concepts, and side by side we will create this website by using those concepts. Yes, definitely we will learn all basic to advanced things about HTML, and then we will use those all concepts, all things to create this website, so that you can not only just understand but also you will feel that how we can use HTML to create a real website. And also because we are learning HTML by developing this project, so after completing this course, you will have complete knowledge of HTML, and also you have a project that you can show to others that you have learned HTML. And from these learnings, later you can create your own website according to your choice and creativity. So at first, let's understand some basic things about HTML, and then we will start coding. So basically, HTML means hypertext markup language, and we use it to create elements and layout of any web page. For example, in this web page, you can see these old texts, images, photos, videos. These all are HTML elements. These all are created using HTML, and the whole layout of this website is created using HTML. So basically, for creating layout of any web page, we use HTML. So now basically for creating HTML file and writing HTML code, we need to install a code editor in our computer. We can also use simple notepad for writing HTML code, but this is very basic. It will not provide us many more extra features. But if we use any other code editor, then there are many extra features in that. I personally like Visual Studio Code for coding. So for writing HTML code, first you need to install this VS Code. So open this website and then download it according to your PC. And after downloading, just install it and then open VS Code. And after opening this VS Code, first we need to create here HTML file. So for creating HTML file, we need to click here and then click on open folder. So now here you need to select any folder in which you want to create HTML files, and after selecting that folder, it will open that folder in VS Code. Now here we need to create HTML file. So for creating HTML file, we need to click here on this icon. We need to click, and after that we need to type HTML file name, like let's say type file1, and then after typing the name, you need to add file extension. And for HTML files, the file extension is .html, and after typing this, just save it. So in the every HTML file, we need to add .html at the end of any website name, because this is the file extension for HTML. So now here you can type all your HTML code, and then browser will show this page according to your code. So now let's say for example here, just I type hello world. You can see this at the top of this file name, there is a white tick. This means the file is not saved yet. So for this saving this file, press Ctrl and S, and also you can save file by clicking here on file and then click on save. So now we need to open this file in our web browser. So for that, just open that folder where you have saved all your HTML files, and then open that file. So now you can see that this file has been opened in this web browser, and also this hello world is showing here. We have written this hello world here, and the browser is also showing this hello world. So basically by this way we can create this HTML file and write anything in this file. But for creating a real website, we need to follow a basic structure of HTML. There is a already defined syntax of HTML, so we need to follow that syntax and we need to code according to that. So basically this is the syntax of HTML file. We need to follow this syntax in every web page, and we will create every web page according to this syntax. So in this syntax, by first line, we are defining the type of this document, doc type. Doc type means document type. So here we have provided that this document have HTML type. It means we are creating here HTML file, and then we have this HTML tag. So basically all the code of this website will be in between these two HTML tags. This is the opening HTML tag, and this is the closing HTML tag. So all code of this website will be between these two HTML opening and HTML closing tag. And in this HTML tag, we define two other tags also, head tag and body tag. And also these both tag have opening tag, like this one. This is the head opening tag, and this is the head closing tag. So all data related to head we need to write here between these two opening and closing head tags, and all data related to body we need to type between these two opening and closing body tag. So all code that we will type between these body tags in this HTML file will be shown here, and between these head tag we will write all metadata about our website. Metadata means data about data. We will type like description of our website, name of our website, all metadata that we will write between these head tags will be not shown here on the web page, but this metadata will be used to rank our website on Google, and also providing some information to the web browser so that it can understand the whole code of our website. So basically for all content that we will see on this web page, we will write all code between these body tags. So basically for showing anything on web page, we need to write all code between these body tags, and after writing code we need to save it. And when we refresh this page, you can see that this text that we write here, we can see here on the web page. So mainly all code for our web page will be written here between these body tags. So basically for showing content on our web page, we will write most of the code in our body tag, and rest of that code for metadata we will write between these head tags. So basically this is the syntax of HTML. Let me summarize it again. So at first, by this line we will define the type of our documentation. So here we are using HTML, so we have defined that doc type of this file is HTML, and then after that we need to write HTML code. For that we need to write here HTML opening tag and the closing tag. So all the HTML code will be between these HTML opening and closing tag, and then between these HTML tags we will define head tag and body tag. In head tag we will write all metadata of our website, and between body tag we will write all content that we want to show on our web page. So basically this is the syntax of HTML file, and this will be same for all web pages. So now let's learn about more HTML tags. First we will learn about headings and paragraph. As in this website you can see that these are some big text and these are some small texts. So these big texts are heading and these small text are paragraph. So now let's say if we want to create heading in our web page, so for that we need to use heading tag of HTML, and heading tag will be like this. So basically this is the tag for writing heading, and any text that we will write between these two opening and closing heading tag will be shown as a heading in our web page. So here you can see that if we write any text without heading tag and then save it, then it will be like small. This text will be small, and if we write any text between these heading tags, then it becomes heading. So in HTML there are about 6 heading tags. These are from H1 to H6. Now let's say we want to show a small heading, like this is a large text and we want to show a little bit small text than this. So for that we can use H2 tag. So for writing heading 2 we need to add this tag, and between this we can write any text. And now let's save it, and if we refresh this page, then you can see that this is H1 and this is heading 2, H2. So in the same manner we have H3, H4, H5 and H6. So now let's save it and refresh this page. So you can see that these are 6 headings, H1 to H6. So according to our website we can write any heading from these. So basically by this way we can create heading in HTML. This is the HTML heading tag. So now let's say if we want to create any paragraph, for that we can use paragraph tag, and any text that we will write between these paragraph tags will be shown this way in our website. So this is the heading and this is the paragraph. So basically for writing any type of text we can use these headings and paragraph tags. So now as we learned all basic things about HTML, and also we have learned a heading and paragraph tags, so now let's use them to create this website. So for developing this website, let's first create new folder for this website. So click on file and click on new window. By this way it will open new window of Visual Studio Code. And now in this window we have to open a new folder in which we can save our projects file. So open that folder and create a new folder for our project. So let me create new folder. So in this folder we will create all our websites file. So here let's first create a HTML file for the home page. So now let's first create a file in which we can write all code for our website, and I will name it index.html. You can write any name for this file, but if you write index.html name, then this page becomes home page of our website. So when the browser will render this folder, then this file will be executed first, because we have named it index.html. So it means this is the first web page that we want to open. Like in this website you can see that this is the home page, and the other pages like about us, contact us, blog, these are secondary pages. So when we open this website, then first of all this page will be appear. So this is the home page of our website. So for creating home page we need to name it index.html. So now let's develop our project. So first of all we need to define doc type of our web page. So for that we need to write doc type HTML, and then we have to write HTML tag, HTML opening tag and HTML closing tag. And in between these HTML tags we need to write two more tags, head tag and body tag. So now all the content that we want to show on our page we need to write between body tag. So now here in this website you can see that this is a text and it is a big text. So we can create this text by using heading tag, and also this is a small text. So we can create this text by using paragraph tag. If we scroll down, then here we can also see that this text we can create using heading tag. This is a small heading tag, and then after this is a paragraph. So we can write this text using paragraph tag. So for now we can create these text by using heading and paragraph tag. So now let's create our project. So for that let me open the code editor And here in body tag we have to write this text, this paragraph, and also this heading text, this another heading tag, and this paragraph. So first of all, let me type this text by heading. Let me type h1, and then in this tag let me type stoic developer, and then we will write this text between these paragraphs. And after this we need to write another heading about stoic developer. So for that, let me again create h1 tag, and in this we will write this text. So after that we need to write our story text. So for that we will use h4 tag. In h4 we can write our story text, and then after that we need to write this paragraph. So for this paragraph we can write paragraph tag, and between them we can write this paragraph, then save it. So by this way we can use heading and paragraph tags for showing content of our website. So now let's open this file in our web browser and see how our website is looking. So for opening this file, let us open the folder where we have created this HTML file, and then open this file. So now here you can see that all content that we written in our HTML file, we can see that here. Like here we have first we written stoic developer text. So here is the stoic developer text, and then we have written this small paragraph. So also this paragraph is here, and after that these are another two headings, and then this paragraph. So these all content we can see that is written in this page. Yes, I know that this whole content is not looking like this website because we have not styled it here. First we will create all the content, and then later we will style it. So I think that's enough for this video. We will learn more HTML in upcoming videos, and also we will create this website.